So today I'm going to be out here constructing a chicken tractor. Okay, so what I wanted is something that was small enough to where it was easy to move. And I also wanted it super predator proof. I wanted nothing to be able to get into this thing. I wanted it solid so the wind doesn't blow it around or tear it up. I wanted it to be large enough to where it can hold about 50 to 75 birds comfortably. I have a couple old trampolines I've been hanging on to, and I was gonna make a greenhouse, but I think this is gonna be more suitable for a chicken tractor. So basically what I've done is just kind of basically make just a frame out of them. And I was lucky enough that the metal brackets that were used to join the legs to the round part of the trampoline, they actually fit together. And I'm gonna have to kind of modify this end here and flatten it out, and I will have to bolt everything together because it's a little bit loose. So that is going to take a long time as far as bolting everything together, and I will have to buy those parts. But as far as the frame, I think I should have enough between two trampolines to not have to buy any materials. And I have some scrap wood that I'm going to put at the very bottom there, and that's going to kind of hold everything together in a nice square and be nice and solid and sturdy, and also provide some protection so that predators can't dig underneath of that. Here is the almost finished chicken tractor behind me. I've got a few little reinforcement posts that I want to do, and then I want to get the tin screwed on a little bit better. But before I do that, I got to see if this thing's able to be pulled manually. Well, it's not as easy as I would like it to be, but I also went bigger than I thought I was gonna go. So all in all, I can pull it, and I think Amanda can pull it, and I know the tractor can pull it. It's not too bad a deal. Well, everything seems to be working. It's starting to rain, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the chickens and introduce them to the new home. This is like the first time they've seen actual grass. I don't know if they know what to think. No, the ones with combs are boys. Little combs. You see that one right there? And that one?
Oh, yeah.
Those two, that with the big floppy combs, those are boys.